Here at Keyano College at the Syncrude Sport and Wellness Center, their hallways are about to change even more so as they invite PCN to join their landscape. Due to an increase in rent cost, the Wood Buffalo Primary Care Network, otherwise known as the WBPCN, was looking for a new home. So when the opportunity came for the health organization to move, they found the perfect fit at Keyano's Syncrude Sports and Wellness Center.
I just think that this is a new beginning, really, for both our organizations in terms of being able to expand a lot of the collaborative programming that we see coming here in the future. And I think it's just great value overall from a public investment in infrastructure and information management infrastructure as well. Just tremendous.
The WBPCN clinic will be located on the first and second floor of the center, allowing for easy access for patients. But the possibilities for opportunities between Keyano and the WBPCN seems to be endless.
What it is that it gives us the opportunity to expand because we have more space. We will have certainly much more opportunity to grow rehab programs because of their track. We didn't have a track at our last location. We didn't have lots of exercise equipment at our last location. And so those modifiable risk factors that we're trying to address with regard to our chronic disease management patients, such as exercise, it will be a really, really good opportunity to expand in those areas.
From a sport and wellness side, the WBPCN will be able to use the equipment and facilities of the center during regular office hours, a time when the facility traditionally is not as busy. But that is just the beginning of the possible collaborations between these organizations.
From a health and wellness perspective, in our department, having more expertise on campus, having more resources for students, staff, and members, I'm very excited about the opportunities that this brings.
The Wood Buffalo Primary Care Network offers a multitude of programs that Keyano staff and students will be able to benefit from. But with a list of programs that include and are not limited to diabetes, heart health, and adult weight management, the WBPCN clearly supports the entire region when it comes to fulfilling complete health care, allowing for programs at this college to grow and prosper.
First of all, working in proximity with people that are actually doing some of the practice from a sort of a pragmatic standpoint of view is really where Keyano wants to expand our health services area. So this really gives us an opportunity not only to develop programming that could benefit people coming here and getting treatment and so forth, but it could also provide a great experiential learning ground for our students and for our faculty. So just a very fertile ground to develop additional programming that Keyano will be spearheading in the future.
And though Keyano College has often been known for their oil industry relationships, they are excited about collaborations like today's and what it means for them in the future.
You know, to be fair, I think Keyano has really established quite a good community base in terms of a lot of its programming as well. And I think, I think that the oil sands would be the first ones to acknowledge the fact that they want a community here. They want some places where people will come and stay and have their families here. So I think that, one sort of really meets the other. But, this gives us an opportunity to get in a lot of applied health, which is really in our strategic 5-year plan to really sort of build out some of the health and related types of industries that we're looking for in Fort McMurray to fund and to provide employees for.
The Wood Buffalo Primary Care Network is looking to move and start working from the Clearwater Keyano Sports and Wellness Campus in 2012. In Fort McMurray, I'm Bianca Jade for Shaw TV.